Hello, good morning. Today we will learn about how to do Google search and we will use Google itself to learn about how to do the Google search. So we will type how to do Google search in uh, English, plain English only. Then the first result will come. We will look into first result because while performing search on any search engine, we can get idea about any topic from the first result itself. So then after reading the first result we can refine further. Like I open this link of WikiHow. So this is saying that how to do the Google search. This is showing the methods actually. So our topic is how to do the Google search, and first link is providing us some lead like met some method. So we get idea about that we can do Google search based on the web Google Chrome. Then in the second method they show about that after opening the Google, then we need to type. So we get basic idea about the topic that our aim is to look about how to do the Google search. So this uh, give us a basic idea. Like the second method is showing that refining the result. Like we are doing it, doing also that we just typed a query and we get a result, and then next step is to refine that like we get these results, but this is not actually what we are looking. So we will follow the second method to refine the search. After getting some leads from the first result, then we need to refine the search. So how it is showing that we can put the double quotes. We will look how this actually working, all these operators to refine the search. So then third method is to perform the Google advanced search. We can do the Google advanced search like to get the exactly what we are looking for in much detailed way. So this is these method are basically first is the basic level, like we just want to browse the topic, like just to get the idea about what is this. In the second we will move a little bit close to our actual requirement, and in third we will use these advanced method to exactly get the thing that we are looking for. So all the three methods are for different uses. Like if we need to do some basic search, then we just type the query in the search bar and get the basic result and get the leads. In the second part we do a bit of in-depth search, but in third we will do exact search, like exactly if we have aim. Like first method is used when we don't have the aim or we don't have the idea about the topic. So we just type the query and get the result and get some kind of output from that. But up in the second method we have little bit of direction, that we are looking in some direction. Like we are looking in the refining method, like we are looking for the image, particular image about this product. So we have a direction, we know the product but we exactly don't know what we are looking, so we have a direction. So then we look for the second method. But when exactly we know that we are looking exactly this product, like we know we are looking black color iPhone, so we then use the advanced search. So these are basically three level of doing the search. So this is the basic introduction how to perform the Google search. Now we will look what Google said say about how to use the Google itself. So this is the Google documentation itself. So Google said that give the few tips about this. So how to do the Google search? We so first tip is that just type basics. Just type the basic query, like where is the closest airport and question mark. So this will perform the basic search in the first method that we have discussed earlier. Second is that we can use the voice search if we don't want to type, so then we can use this mic button. Then third tip is to select the word carefully, because if we use the similar words, then completely change the meaning, and search engine cannot differentiate that what we want to say. So choose the word carefully before performing the search. and there are few things that we can ignore, that spellings. Google itself correct, like when we perform the search, so Google itself show, did you mean this, did you mean that. And capitalization do not affect the search. We can capitalize all words, or we cannot use, we can just directly like that, but while using operator we need to use the capital words. So the quick, there are few quick answer that the search engine can use, like weather. We just type weather in the city, it itself get the context that we are looking for the weather, then the dictionary. If we put the defined word, then itself it open the dictionary. And calculation, we know conversion, quick facts. And so these are the basic tips. So in the next video we will implement all these method for performing the search. Thank you for this video. Have a nice day.